Forms often include date selection fields, like scheduling a meeting or selecting a birth date. Let's add a calendar input to our form. I just noticed that I mistakenly gave two fields the same ID and name. Let's fix that by renaming the email field to use email address ID instead. So ID email address and name email address. And let's also update the label for email address. Remember that each ID must be unique in an HTML document. And also, unique names ensure proper form submission without conflicts. Now, let's add a date picker field so users can select a date for scheduled meeting. Label with a class label for meeting, schedule a meeting, and then input with a class input and ID meeting, and this input will have type of date. And let's also add a name attribute meeting. HTML natively supports a date picker in most browsers, which means users can choose a date visually instead of typing it, and the browser ensures proper formatting.